All right, let's talk about AI, from tech keynotes to movie plots. But what is it really? Artificial intelligence is basically teaching a computer to think, learn, solve problems. It's not about robots taking over the world. It's about creating smart software that can understand patterns, make predictions, and generate new ideas. It's the brain behind the smart features you use every day. It's software that doesn't just follow instructions, it adapts. So how does it work under the hood? It's all about data, lots and lots of data. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize a picture of a cat. You wouldn't write code describing pointy ears and whiskers. Instead, you'd show it millions of pictures of cats. The AI, a neural network, analyzes all those images and figures out features on its own. This process is called machine learning, and it's the engine driving most of the AI we use in 2025. This learning is what makes AI so powerful. It understands context, not just keywords. Think of it as a tool that understands nuance and helps you solve problems. You might be surprised by how much AI is already woven into the fabric of your life. It's not just some futuristic concept. It's the quiet engine running in the background of many services you use. Take healthcare, for instance. AI is helping doctors analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, sometimes spotting signs of disease that the human eye might miss. It's personalizing treatment plans and analyzing genetic data, suggesting the most effective medicines based on a patient's genetic data. It gives doctors superpowers, better, faster decisions. Then there's your finances. Ever get a fraud alert on your credit card? That's AI at work. Banks use algorithms that learn your spending habits and flag anomalies instantly. It's also changing how we invest. Robo-advisors build and manage personalized portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance, making investing accessible to everyone. Education is getting an AI upgrade. Imagine a learning platform that adapts to your pace. It gives extra examples when you're stuck and moves you ahead when you're ready. Productivity and creativity tools are everywhere, like email sorting, music apps making perfect playlists, and navigation apps rerouting you around traffic. AI is the invisible layer optimizing the world around us, one small task at a time. If you're a creator, 2025 is an incredible time to be alive. AI unlocked new tools that change how we make things. Let's start with writing. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. Think of it as a brilliant writing partner. Ask it to brainstorm, draft, summarize, translate, or code. Need blog ideas, a polished email, or code hints? It helps with all of that. Then we have tools for visual creators. Midjourney has been a game changer. Type a prompt and get high-quality artwork in seconds. Imagine an astronaut on a horse on Mars. Fantasy landscapes, portraits, abstract designs, everything. This isn't just for pros. Hobbyists and small businesses benefit too. It turns imagination directly into pixels, great for presentations and prototypes, but it doesn't stop at still images. Runway Gen 2 and similar tools bring AI to video creation. Upload a clip and change its style with a prompt, or generate new clips from text. Filmmakers, marketers, and social creators can produce high-quality visuals with far lower costs. It lowers the barrier to dynamic production. Marketers can prototype ad creatives fast. For marketing, Jasper AI writes conversion-focused copy. Trained on high-performing ads, emails, and social posts, it generates multiple options instantly. Test what works and iterate faster than ever. These tools augment creativity, giving you the power to create better content faster. Supercharge your productivity. AI is the ultimate productivity hack. It helps with art, video, and everyday tasks. AI automates the boring stuff so you can focus on what matters. Automate repetitive tasks so you can do deep, meaningful work. One of the best examples in 2025 is Notion AI. Imagine messy meeting notes, and with one click, the AI summarizes the key takeaways. It can also generate action items and a formatted project timeline. This ability to automate routine tasks is a massive time saver. Think about how much time you spend on emails, scheduling, or transcribing audio. AI can draft replies, schedule meetings, and transcribe calls automatically. Meeting assistants can join your calls, provide real-time transcripts, and generate summarized action items automatically. AI is also a decision-making assistant, spotting patterns humans miss. It highlights trends and predicts delays in projects, then suggests where to reallocate resources to stay on track. In personal life, AI can analyze spending and give personalized tips. It presents clear, simple recommendations. No data science degree required. Ultimately, these tools reduce friction so you can focus on the big picture. Free up hours in your week to do better work or to log off earlier. So all of this sounds awesome in theory, but what does it look like in the real world? Let's look at some real-life examples. From freelancers to students to small business owners. A freelance graphic designer I know used to spend hours searching stock photos. Now she uses Midjourney. She gets unique, royalty-friendly images tailored to briefs in minutes. A small e-commerce owner struggled to write product descriptions for hundreds of items. He started using Jasper AI and fed it basic bullet points about each product. In an afternoon, Jasper generated SEO-friendly descriptions for his catalog. His sales saw a noticeable bump, and he spent time on customer service and growth instead of tedious writing. A college student used AI to learn and improve her writing, not to cheat. She uses ChatGPT to rephrase sentences and explain complex vocabulary in simpler terms. It's acting as a language tutor, helping her improve and gain confidence. She learns faster, not less. A friend used an AI travel planner to design a complex multi-city trip. He gave it his budget, dates, and interests: history, food, hiking. It generated day-by-day itinerary, flights, trains, hotels, and restaurant picks he could tweak. AI made an overwhelming task manageable and even fun. These real-world uses show practical value across work, study, and life. People save time, grow skills, and focus on higher-level work. So how do you get started? Let's walk through 5 easy tools. AI isn't far off or only for experts. It's accessible and useful. Most tools are as easy as your favorite apps. Here are 5 tools to try: ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, Notion AI, and Jasper. ChatGPT, great for writing, brainstorming, and coding. Midjourney, create custom images from text prompts. Runway, experiment with text-to-video and style transfer. Notion AI, summarize notes, generate action lists, build timelines. Jasper, marketing copy, headlines, and A/B testing options. These 5 are a powerful starting set, but there are many others. You don't need a CS degree or fancy hardware. Try one small task. Open ChatGPT and ask it to draft that email you've been putting off. Have a fun image idea. Try Midjourney and play with prompts. Be curious. Experiment. Try a silly prompt or a real problem. You'll be surprised how intuitive these tools are and how quickly they fit into your workflow. Integrate outputs into documents, posts, or presentations. Small wins add up. This is an exciting moment. Embrace the wave of innovation. You're learning valuable skills that will pay off for years. The journey starts with a click and 15 minutes of curiosity. Play, learn, and build a new skill set. Be an active participant, not a spectator. Pick one tool, spend 15 minutes, see what it can do. Go explore, have fun, and unlock a new level of your potential. Subscribe for more tech insights.